So a new image of the DJI Pocket 4 chassis popped up, and earlier leaks had everyone convinced this thing was going to look completely different, but now that we've got clearer shots, it seems like DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, just refine it. Well, except for that dual camera setup, which definitely changes the game. According to the source who shared these images, DJI has already moved into mass production, which means the Pocket 4 is basically ready to launch. Looking closely at the chassis, you can tell it's built on the Pocket 3's foundation, but DJI clearly didn't just copy and paste the design. The overall shape looks cleaner, the curves more refined, like they've ironed out all the tiny design quirks from the last model. But what's really catching everyone's eye are those two new buttons right below the display. You might remember them from the early prototype shots taken in Barcelona, and yep, they've made it to the final design. The interesting part, no one knows what they actually do yet. Some think they're linked to the new dual camera system, while others believe they might be for something as simple and useful as zoom controls. A few early testers have hinted that zooming on the Pocket 4 feels way smoother, so it wouldn't be surprising if these buttons were there for quick zoom in and zoom out shortcuts. No menu diving, no fiddling mid-shot, just instant control. Now, when it comes to the display, DJI seems to be sticking with what works. There were rumors floating around about a larger 2.5-inch screen, but from the chassis, it's pretty clear they've kept the same 2-inch rotatable display from the Pocket 3, and honestly, that's probably a smart move. A bigger screen would have meant a bulkier build, and the whole charm of the Pocket series is right there in the name. Keeping it compact while still giving you that flexible rotating screen for vlogging, low angles, or selfies just makes sense. The weight drop is another standout. The Pocket 4 reportedly weighs around 116 grams, down from 180 grams on the Pocket 3. That's a pretty serious cut, especially considering it now packs an extra camera module. It's also said to be a bit taller but slimmer and narrower, which should make it feel more balanced and comfortable during longer shoots. Putting all of this together, the DJI Pocket 4 feels like more than just an update. The dual camera system alone opens up so many creative possibilities, but combine that with the lighter frame, smoother zoom controls, refined design, and ergonomic tweaks, and you're looking at a tool that gives creators way more flexibility without the bulk of multiple cameras. So yeah, while the Pocket 3 was already a favorite among vloggers and filmmakers, the Pocket 4 feels like DJI's way of saying, let's take everything that worked and make it even better without losing that pocket-sized magic. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.